Today I am making the perfect steamed fish and okra with crackers. One of the best and easiest way to steam fish. In a pot, add about 1 inches of water. Add okra, carrots, pumpkin, scallion, thyme, onion, some powder seasoning like fish seasoning and all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 stick of butter. Add your fish to the pot and cover down and leave to steam or cook for about 15 minutes. That is how easy it is to steam fish. After 15 minutes, you can add your water crackers. If you don't want to add water crackers, you can just bring your fish to a complete cook, and that's it. That is how easy it is to steam fish, and you can use any fish of your choice. It's the same process. Different type of fish, different flavor, but the cooking process or the steaming process is the same. If it is the first time here, do remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, share, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. As you can see, my fish is almost cooked, so I'm adding my water crackers to the pot and leave to simmer for a minute or two. To associate the crackers and the fish together, so the fish will add some flavor to the crackers and the crackers will absorb it to give the crackers a nice eating or taste. By now you get the understanding of what I'm doing here. This is the easiest way to steam fish. This steamed fish is known for one of Jamaican favorite steamed fish that's served around the island. So steamed fish is very easy to do. When you steam a fish, you can share it with family and friends. You can eat the steamed fish for dinner, for breakfast, for lunch, any time of the day. Steamed fish and crackers, again the steamed fish and gong peppercorn. Any way you want it can be shared and eat. So this is one of the easiest way to steam fish. So see step-by-step instruction and information. Steam your fish and get it right. Enjoy with family and friends. If you think this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with family and friends, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So this steamed fish is what I will have for dinner tonight. When you make your steamed fish, let me know how it goes. Until then, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and remember to see my other videos with other recipes, how to cook Jamaican food.